Life is a gift, but many of us don't realize its beauty until we pause and reflect. We spend so much time chasing success, money, and validation, thinking that once we have those things, we will finally be happy. But the truth is, happiness doesn't come from what you have, it comes from how you see what you have. Every single day you wake up is a blessing, a new opportunity to grow, to improve, to love, and to become a better version of yourself. Yes, life will test you. There will be moments of pain, disappointment, and uncertainty. But those moments are not there to break you, they're there to build you. They teach you strength, they teach you patience. They remind you of what truly matters. Happiness is not about having a perfect life. It's about finding peace even when life is imperfect. Start appreciating the little things, a quiet moment, a kind word, a deep breath, a beautiful sunrise. There are not small things. These are not small things. They are everything. Stop comparing yourself, your life to others. Your journey is unique. Your timing is different. And your story is still being written. Instead of focusing on what's missing, focus on what's present. Instead of complaining, start being grateful. Gratitude changes everything. It shifts your mindsets, lifts your spirit, and opens your eyes to the beauty that has always been there. So let us take a moment right now. Breath deep. Breathe deep. And remind yourself you are here for a reason. Choose to see the good. Choose to let go of negativity. Choose to be happy, not someday, but today. Because life is not waiting for you to be ready. Life is happening right now. And it's beautiful if you choose to see what that way is. Please subscribe, share, and like.